Good afternoon to all. Today my topic is seminar topic is Beacon Technology. Here we are discuss this content on this topic. Beacon Technology. Beacon Technology is literally new type of technology. Beacon help to guide customers users to particular destination as well as transmit it message based on proximity. Beacon is a small, inexpensive piece of hardware that connect via Bluetooth, enabling them to transmit data directly to mobile device. Beacon transform the real world into digital channel. This technology is used to share our marketing or our feed data on our mobile apps history. This concept of beacon is old as, for example, hand watches like lighthouses guide ships and show where the land is. Beacon device provide the information. The future of shopping was supposed to transform by Apple's Beacon, a tracking technology unveiled by the tech giant in 2013 and installed in 254 Apple Store locations. In 2015, Google announced Eddystone. It is BLE Beacon technology. Both iOS and Android apps users could receive messages sent via iBeacon and Eddystone devices because they worked across the two platforms. Brief on system how the beacon works. Beacon beacon is transmit the signals on via Bluetooth, which which will which will connect to the data server. User smartphone will pick up a signal. A beacon enable users app on the phone and sends a signal to an online platform. And the platform tells the app to perform an action. And the apps format the information and the user receives the information. Literature survey. Bluetooth low energy devices are similar to other Bluetooth devices. As the name indicates, this device will consume low energy. The BLE device can transmit and receive the data. iBeacon it is a standard protocol for the Bluetooth low energy peripheral devices designed by Apple. This make use of BLE to send UID through iBeacon API. iBeacon. Apple hasn't manufactured a standalone beacon device. It may not need to. Apple has built beacon technology into device and mobile operating systems. Apple reported its device, if running iOS 7, can become active iBeacons. This Apple a significant advantage. 200 million iPhones and iPads are ready to send receive iBeacon signals. A small business owner can enable iPad to transmit notification to iPhone user who enter his storefront. Application. Here we have to show small video.
Smart beacons present relevant information to your device based on the context of where you are. Now in Android and iOS 7, your device scans for any nearby beacons in the background as you move around. And when you want info about something you're near, it's ready to swipe on your notification screen. So if you take out your phone as you pass a new restaurant, you can see their lunch specials or menu reviews. Since your phone knows that you just arrived at the table with the red beacon, the menu will be ready when you pick up your phone. So if you're in a hurry, you can send your order straight to the kitchen. You can have beacons at home too. So if your context is the kitchen and you're near the fridge, your shopping list will be ready and waiting when you look at your phone. And then when you walk by the beacon in the dairy aisle, your phone can give you a reminder to make sure you don't forget to pick up milk. And because the range awareness for beacons is sensitive down to a few inches, it can tell what you're closest to, or what product you pick up. So when you look at your phone, it'll already show product information, or let you know if your size is in stock, or let you see what other colors are available. And then you can order it right from your phone. And if you've been at the restaurant for a while, your phone will be ready if you want to order another drink or pay the check with the push of a button. Your phone is always with you. Smart beacons give it some context.
This video will show how the beacons works and its applications. Now we have to conclude on this topic. Proximity marketing is new way of branding, advertising and marketing retailers' products or a sale offer to consumer. A new technology might do trick in driving up sales and help build consumer loyalty, send business notification at the right place at the right time. Till now, it provides seamless experience to consumer, which ultimately results in high shopping rates, which results in enhancement of e-commerce as well. Hence, there are various other areas where this technology can be used, especially in India, as this technology is widespread in US and the other countries, but there's a lots work of which we need to be done in at India. Here are the reference which information on this topic we have to collect it. Thank you.